This kit claims to add volume, definition, and shine to my hair. I have really curly hair, so that means by like day 2 or 3 it starts to get dry and frizzy. So I'm excited to put these bad boys to the test. I'm going to try them out for 4 days and see how long it lasts.
So this is what my hair normally looks like on day 3. Let's fix that with this volumized kit from a brand called Manetain. The instructions are to first apply the cream on dripping wet hair and then follow it up with the gel. The curl cream is made with extremely moisturizing ingredients like rice extract and avocado oil, and it also has this amazing scent of lavender. So to make sure the cream is evenly distributed in my hair, I'm going to brush the product through before brushing out smaller sections starting from the crown of my head. Next, I'm going to take a generous amount of gel and glaze it over my hair without disturbing the curls. Then I like to spray my hair with more water and lightly scrunch the product into my hair. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. The gel is made with ingredients like flaxseed and chia seed extract, so it does leave a medium hold cast. So to break that cast, I'm going to use the praying hands method and then shake out my roots from maximum volume. And ta-da! Look at how shiny and juicy my curls are.
Okay, so it's day 2. I just woke up. I still have my bonnet on, but I'm going to take it off and let's see what it looks like. Let's take this off. So what I normally do is, after taking my hair out of the bonnet, I just pull the hair just to loosen it up from being stuck. It's so voluminous, so shiny. Oh, and the curls, just look at those curls. Now literally all I have to do is slap on some makeup and I'm done. I'm ready. I am ready to go.
Here's a quick bounce check before I head out to see my friend. I just can't get over the fact that I quite literally woke up like this.
So it's day 3 and I still have my bonnet on, but I'm going to take it off and let's see what it looks like. So the curls are still there, the volume is still there. I just need to do a little bit of refreshing for these front pieces. So what I like to do is I take a spray bottle and I'm going to put just a little bit of gel in there, and I take some of the gel, just a little bit, and shake it. And then you end up with something like this. And then I'm going to spray it on my front pieces, around the back. With the praying hands method, I am going to just wipe it into my hair. Now I'm going to lightly scrunch my hair, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it. I just diffused my hair and look how voluminous it is, how curly it is, and it took me all of 10 minutes, I swear. Not gonna lie, I think it looks better than it did the first day. And this is day 3. This is day 3 and my hair looks like this. Normally by now I'd be tying it up in a bun or a claw clip or something. But for the first time on day 3, I don't need to tie up my hair. I can leave my curls. Okay, so now I need to put my makeup on because I'm late. I need to go out with my mom and yeah.
Okay, but seriously, why is my day 3 hair slaying harder than day 1?
So today is day 4 and clearly I didn't sleep in a bonnet. So today we're just going to do a half updo and hope for the best.
Just to show you guys what my hair looks like on day 4 before I style it, it's still so voluminous and shiny with very little frizz. And oh my god, just look at that bounce.
So this is what my hair looks like on day 4. So that means I've survived more than half a week without having to redo my hair. So get your hands on Manetain stylers because they have made my life so much easier and it's going to make your life easier too.